Do your customers want to book specific areas of your venue from your booking widget? ResDiary's promotion tool allows you to separate your bookings by area. This tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up promotions for individual areas. For some basic information on promotions and how they work, the Creating a Basic Promotions video has been linked in the descriptor. You will have to set up the same amount of promotions as areas and services that you offer. For example, you may have a main restaurant, a bar, and a private dining room. You may only serve food at certain times in certain areas, or areas may be combined during lunch service. Think carefully about how many promotions you will need for the different services that your venue runs. From your diary, click Promote, and in the Promotions sections, click Promotions, and then Create a Promotion. In the Info tab, you will want to set up the basic information about your area. First, name the area and give it a clear description. What service is this? And any specific information to this area. The advertisement period dictates when the promotion will appear on the widget. If this arrangement will continue for a long time, you should set the end date far into the future. Number of people dictates the amount of people you want to book the promotion, whether it is an exact booking size, reservations over a certain number, or within a range. Total covers available is the amount of covers or bookings you can take in total. In this scenario, you will want to leave this blank, as the segment rules will manage this. As with any promotion, you can set a fixed price, request credit card details, or take a deposit, and these can be applied per booking or per cover as required. You may want to set the status to disabled until you have all your areas in place. Remember, you will have to come back and switch this on when you are ready to test and go live. The Areas tab is the most important section when setting up area-specific promotions. During your diary build, you should have set up all your areas. However, if these need to be adjusted, there is information about how to do this in the video descriptor. If you require your customers to select an area during the booking process, please select Required. If you don't select Required, the customers will book Standard Availability, which will assign the next best available table in any area. Channels dictate where this promotion will be bookable. If you want all your customers to choose an area when they are booking, you should toggle on all the channels. If you are running promotions with third-party partners and don't want them to choose areas, untick those channels. Validity dictates when the area promotion is available to be booked. Again, it is important that you have a clear idea of how you want to use area promotions for your various services. To add a validity period, click Create a Validity Period and fill out the details in the pop-up. If you are running these areas for a long time, the end date should be set well into the future. If this area is only available at specific times, you will want to set this with the start and end time or toggle on the valid all day. You may also use your areas differently depending on the day of the week. Once you're happy with your validity details, you can click Add. Now you can save your promotion and begin building the promotions for the other areas in the same way. It is important to test your promotions so that they are working the way that you expect. In order to test your promotions and make sure they're working correctly, you'll need to enable them. Do this by setting them to Enable in the Promotions Info tab. From your diary, click on Promote, and from the Online Facilities section, select Microsite. This will open your ResDiary microsite, where you can make several test bookings for different times and days to make sure that your promotions are working as expected. Remember that this will be live for customers to see, so it's best to test at a time that customers are unlikely to be booking, like early in the morning or late at night. If you're having any issues or have any questions, you can find more information about area promotions on the knowledge base or get support anytime by raising a ticket.